you know anything about me, you know that I love, love, love wellness. And you also likely know, if you've tuned in with me in the past, that Herbalife Nutrition, the number one global nutritional brand, helped me lose over 55 pounds over 7 years ago and keep it off, as well as choosing a sober lifestyle. And they are the number one brand for inner and outer nutrition, number one meal replacement, partnerships with athletes like Cristiano Ronaldo for my soccer fans. And I also compete and have competed over 3 times with the National Physique Committee with bikini fitness competitions. And I've used Herbalife Nutrition all along the way. They are in over 90 different countries, and you can check out my free wellness profile. It's also hyperlinked, as well as if you end up jumping in and jumpstarting your transformation in my experiences, whether it's live with amazing retreats with Creators Go Global, and or whether it's with experiences with the Creator to CEO experiences, I always include transformation toolkits, which include also tools with health, wealth, and business, and one of them being Herbalife. Absolutely. Another tool I wanted to talk about that has gone with me literally everywhere around the world the last 3+ years is Peloton.